I finally found an AI tool that creates amazing UI UX design. I recently discovered an AI tool that can help me to create professional UI UX design, landing page, dashboard and mobile app interface in a minute. In this video, from a blank idea to finished polished interface, so you can exactly see how powerful this tool is. No design background required. Let's build something beautiful. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the completely free. You don't need to add anything. Simply go to pricing page or simply flowstep.ai website. I'll give this website link in this video description also. Then click on this, get started. Now we need to sign up our account or direct use continue with Google. Click on it, then choose one Gmail account. Click on this continue button. Here you can see you are in. Simply select anything one, ChatGPT or simply search just me. Click on done and this is the dashboard. Now we need to paste here our blank ideas prompt. So here you can see I tried this one. Here you can see create a portfolio website for me. I am a lawyer with 5 years of experience. Then choose what you want to create, dashboard, landing page or mobile app. So simply select landing page. Then click on this generate button. Now here you can see the tool is working. Now let's wait few moments to see result. And trust me, this is the best tool, better than Google AI Studio or Cloud Code Design. You can continue chat from here. Here you can see want to add a specific legal like criminal law, corporate law, make it even more targeted. So add dummy.
I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah.
And here you can see the AI is working. Everything depends upon your prompt, how you wrote a prompt.
Boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, bling something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Here you can see the design, but this is not a completed.
Take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream.
And here you can see our design is completed. Your first design is our pro model. Keep promoting and curious. Here you can see still it's asking for better results. Generate desktop screen with blue theme. Here you can see, and you can customize it according to you. And simply here you can see edit, make it dark, switch to dark mode. It will add a feature. Now let's wait to add dark mode feature also in our website. Now here you can see this is the dark mode design. You can simply select anything. Here you can see need a small tweaks. Click any element to edit in a property panel. So simply you need to first close this chatbot icon, and you can customize it from here also. Simply select this and you can comment by after selecting this. Comment simply here, and you can also import export. Here you can see export a landing page. You can export in PNG, JPG or whole canvas also, or export to Figma, export code. Here you can see feature also available of 4.5 MB, and this is our design. And you can generate code by any cloud code or anything, or Minimax or anything for this design. Here you can see that when you liked this design, here you can see the design is downloaded in a JPG format. And this is a dummy test, and only it's 1 2 3 4 5 chat output. So you need to improve this design. If you want, you need to more conversation with agent. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.